In a world where routine often rules, there exists a thrilling escape, a symphony of exhilaration waiting to be experienced. Adventure is calling. Picture this, you in a brotherhood of amazing, driven world changers just like yourself, amidst the untamed wilderness, soaring over peaks, or diving into the depths of the ocean, unraveling the mysteries that the world holds. These escapades are not merely trips, they're a passage to a life transformed. Imagine yourself perched atop a majestic mountain, feeling the crisp air, your heart racing with each step closer to the summit. Every trail brings not just a panoramic view, but a sense of achievement, an elation that surges through your veins, celebrating, conquering both the land and your fears. But the thrills don't stop there. Think about immersing yourself in cultural escapades, a chance to mingle with locals, taste exotic cuisines, and absorb traditions that date back to centuries before. The journey is not just about the places, it's about the people you meet and the stories you will gather along the way. Adventure is calling are not just vacations, they are transformative experiences. They sculpt stories you'll recount with a spark in your eye, memories that etch themselves into your very soul. These trips are not just about sightseeing, they're about awakening a spirit of exploration that lays dormant within. The greatest treasures lie beyond the confines of familiarity. Unfurl your adventurous spirit and dare to embrace the unknown. Whether it's scaling peaks, delving into unknown depths, or exploring the uncharted paths, these adventures beckon, inviting you to discover the thrill of life unbounded. Leave the average and the mundane behind. Dive into the extraordinary. Adventure is calling are not just journeys. They are a promise of a life lived to the full. A life of vibrant experiences and thrilling adventures that redefine what it means to be fully alive. Are you ready to script your adventure story? The journey awaits. Join me in the Adventurous Calling Brotherhood and get ready to embark on an adventure of a lifetime and let the world become your playground.